Welcome to SolidWorks Engineering DDP class, period 2, and this is the video for lesson 6. First, open SolidWorks as you normally would. Now we're going to create the simple drawings shown by going to New, Drawing, and your general drawing will come up. Now for us, we want to use the A and C landscape. This is the standard one. It fits on an 8.5 by 11 paper. This is what we want. Now we're first going to create a drawing for tutor 1. Now I have it in a special folder. Yours is wherever you saved it, but in either case, open, cancel, never mind. Tutor 1. Now the first view we want is a front view. Turn on preview so you can see what you want and set it at go down to scale, go use custom scale, user defined, and 1 to 3. 3. Now with that, place your product. Now for your next view, you want to go straight up. It'll have a preview already. It'll be perfect right there. Now you want a side view in the corner and click OK. Now go back into model view. Gonna use tutor 1 again. This time we're gonna do a isometric, and it's going to be the same scale, 1 to 3, user defined, 1 to 3, and it'll be in the corner. Now click OK, and now we're going to add dimensions. Go to model items, select your parts or views. Make sure eliminate duplicates is set. Make sure no other extra features are off. Click OK and click yes. Now some of the views and dimensions are unneeded. The ones needed are the radius 5, the radius 1.5. Actually we're going to use that as an example. For this, we want to edit it so double click on it and change it to 2. Rebuild. And there you go. So that's fixed to the company's liking. Now do the same with any other dimensions. Make sure they're what's stated and what's wanted, as those are good. Now in the bottom, you can move them by just holding down and clicking left and right. So with that set, you have the other open views and you're set. Quickly save it, and if this comes up, click save all. That just makes sure you save it, and save it as tutor 1 drawing with your last name. Now we're going to create a sheet for the tutor assembly. So So click New Sheet on the bottom. As stated, it'll go there. So now you have your next sheet. Now we're going to add another part. So now go to Model View again under View Layout. Go to Browse. And grab the Assembly Tutor class, or Assembly Tutor. And open it. It needs updating, so click Yes. Because remember, we made the adjustment previously. So now we want the front view again. And this time it's going to be a 1:2 scale. So go to Custom Scale, User Defined, 1:2. Now there. There. And there. Now click OK. Now does that look wrong? Yes, it does. So if you want to edit the dimension size, as here with an over one, we're going to go back, double click on it, go to User Scale, User Defined, go 1:3. Now that's much better. So now we're going to make our final view. Again, using Assembly Tutor class. We're going to do another isometric. Going to do it with full view. Then go down to User Scale, User Defined, 1:3. Yes. Click it in. All set. Click OK. Now for both of these, now we need to create a title. First things first though, save. Save all. So now we're going to add notes. For the first one with Tutor 1, click Note, and it'll come up with the diagram. Now go into your title box, add your title. For this it'll be Tutor 1. And click OK. Actually, now we're going to go to Edit Sheet Format. Actually, delete that. This is where we want to create our note. So click Note again. This time in there. And again, type Tutor 1. Now click OK. And add your name then in the comment box with another note. And click OK. Now go to Edit Sheet to exit out, and you can delete your other note. And do the same thing in the other one. Now both of these assemblies are done, so now go to File, Print, and print them out. We want to use the 216 printer, that's the one for us. So print it out, and that'll be that. Do a final save, just make sure everything's all set, and close out. Now go to New, Drawing, And now we're going to create the ones for the switch plate. Actually, first we're going to create our template to make it easy. So now with landscape A and C again, click OK. Exit out model view. And now we're going to just create our title block. This will make it standard for every new one we do, and it'll make it easier to work. So now double click there and type in and just close that out, put an X. Now for every one it'll then change and it'll make it easier. Then for the spreadsheet there and there, delete them. And for the drawing number, double click, delete. And it'll just leave the blank X that'll be edited. And then again, same thing for there and there. Now you can add your note. Go into annotation, note, and type in your name. Well, that's all set, so close out there. This is all set. So now go back to edit sheet and leave it. Now go to file, save as, drawing template. And then we're going to name it tutor drawing template, and then your last name. This is now a standard format. It'll be in your standard folder wherever you want to keep it. So now we're going to create the switch play and CD case drawings. So go to new, drawing, and now this time go to browse, go to where you saved it. In this case for me it's in my video, or not. There it is. So it's saved. Now click OK. Now, if yours did not open or work, just go back to the normal one of the A and C and go from there. So it'll be A and C landscape. Click OK. And now we can begin. So now go to browse. And now grab the switch plate. And now it's going to be a lower view, front view as seen here, a top view, and a side view. Click OK, and now you can begin. Now we're going to create model items again with each dimension. Click OK. Click yes. You got your dimensions.